After hours of surgery today, the bullet has been removed from his head, and tonight he's listed in stable condition. Paul Burton is live at Boston Medical Center with the good news. Paul?
And Kay, though he has a long road ahead of him, Officer John Moynihan is doing remarkably well considering all that he's gone through. Commissioner Bill Evans says he was with him earlier today in the hospital with the family, praying for him before he had surgery. Well, tonight, those prayers have been answered.
And on my way here, I got the good news that the surgery went as great and as well as could be expected.
Commissioner Bill Evans is delighted that Boston Police Officer John Moynihan is out of surgery and doing well.
Out of surgery, it looks like things are good.
Speaking at an Anti-Defamation League Passover event on Sunday, Evans says he visited Moynihan today in the hospital and prayed with the family.
They went in, they got the bullet out, and I don't think they see a lot of damage. We're all very happy for him. You know, I had a lot of faith in him. He's a fighter, he's strong, he's a survivor.
Moynihan was critically injured after being shot in the face by 41-year-old Angela West on Friday during a motor vehicle stop. West was later fatally shot by police.
We're looking in more to what could have been going on and what would make him do that.
Evans says he hopes the DA's office will release a video of the shooting soon to quell any doubts of why officers had to shoot West.
We met with a lot of communities leaders yesterday, and they seen it. And I think they were outraged that anyone would protest after what we've seen. To see what he went through and for him to be able to bounce back, it's remarkable.
And Commissioner Evans says Moynihan is lucky just to be alive, and believe it or not, doctors are hoping to have him back on his feet as soon as possible. Live in Boston tonight, I'm Paul Burton, WBZ News. Kate, back to you.